guys, we're walking right now. We have this BNSF train waiting at the signal. With containers. Only one though. I'll so far only see one. Up. It's moving. Signals are green. One signal's green. Got a container train over here. So far you only see two containers actually. There's two. It looks like one large container, but there's actually two. There it goes, the engines. Yep, it's gaining speed now. It's getting faster and faster. You just see the single containers. Just one, but you might see, I think there's gonna be two actually. There's gonna be two, there's gonna be double coming up. So there's gonna be two stacked up right now. Later. Yeah, you'll see it just in a moment. Two containers stacked up. Now there's two. Some of them pull three, but there's two on the bottom and one on the top. It just gained up speed. It just went from slow, then its engine started to like power up, and now it's like fast. Yeah, those two engines are like strong. They can like pull like 100 cars, like up to 100 or 200 cars. Depends how strong their engines are. There might be an engine in the back. I wonder what those things are on top of the containers. Oh, there's an engine in the back. You can hear it. Actually, 3 engines total. We got a beautiful scenery of downtown St. Paul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, kids, don't do this alone. Always go with a responsible adult. So far, we've seen multiple trains so far today. Bye, guys.